best quality jumbo PP filter manufacturer in India. At Microfilter Polymers Ltd, we are proud to be the leading manufacturer of jumbo PP filters in India. Our promise is simple: best quality, best care, best performance. Step 1. Finest raw material. We start with 100% virgin polypropylene (PP) granules, the purest and strongest material. This ensures high durability, long life of filters, crystal clear filtration performance. Step 2. Modern manufacturing process. Our advanced machines convert the PP granules into premium jumbo PP filters. Every stage is carefully controlled to maintain uniform structure, strength, and quality. Step 3. Hygiene and safety first. Cleanliness is our top priority. Filters are handled in a dust-free environment. Workers follow strict hygiene standards. Each filter is checked and tested before packing. Step 4. Safe and secure packing. We pack every filter in sealed, protective packaging to keep it safe from dust, moisture, and damage. The packing ensures the product reaches you in fresh, ready-to-use condition. Contact us for more product details and sales enquiries at Microfilter Polymers Ltd.